another home listed by Carolina Hurtado. Long and Foster Real Estate. Enjoy all the amenities of Aquia Harbour and this great contemporary-style home. Nestled in beautiful woodlands that gives this home the feel of a delightful country setting. With an open floor plan and bright spaces, this home is perfect for entertainment. Gourmet kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, kitchen island and lots of light. Living room comes equipped with a wood-burning fireplace for cozy evenings. The dining room area offers plenty of space and built-ins for added style. In this level, you will also find a library or office and a full bathroom. One level up, the master bedroom with a superb stone accent wall that gives this room a very elegant room. For your convenience, a walk-in closet and stylish bathroom. Fabulous decks in the front of the home and deck access in upper-level bedroom with views of woods. Come